It's your friendly math tutor, Miss C here, to unlock the magic of converting from point-slope form to slope-intercept form. So before we start, let's review what slope-intercept form is. So slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So you'll notice that we are trying to get everything onto the right side of the equation, so y is by itself. So our ultimate goal is to isolate y. That's a fancy way of saying to get y on its own side of the equation. So our first step in isolating y is to distribute. So we distribute by multiplying -3 by x and by multiplying -3 by 6. And then we still have y minus 5 on the left side of our equation. Our next step is to add 5 to both sides because we're still trying to get y by itself. So I'm adding 5 to both sides. Okay, and when I do that, I end up with just y on this side because 5 minus 5 is 0. I only have one term with an x, so that stays -3x. And then I'm combining my constants. -18 plus 5 is -13. And look at that. I have y on its own side. It's isolated. Equals -3x minus 13. -3 is our slope. -13 is our y-intercept. We've moved this from point-slope form to slope-intercept form.